Oh, okay, it is going. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to embed a link safely into a PowerPoint. I only say safely, so I mean that like so the kids don't get any unwanted ads. So let's say we go to YouTube and I type in numbers in Spanish. Oh, Spanish numbers. Okay, whatever. Let's say that I think this is a good video. Okay, I've honestly never watched this video, but that's fine. So first I would copy and paste my link up here. Just Command C. Then I would go to portal. Oh, I'm already here. Okay, so you go to the portal and then you would just type in MyVR spot. And then it'll take you there. Dun dun, it's loading. Okay, cool. So obviously you can see a bunch of random things here. If you look up, I don't know how well you can see my arrow, but if you look up here, you can see the word upload. Excuse me. So then if you go down here, I point as if you can see where I'm pointing, and you obviously can't. You would click upload YouTube link. But let's say you have a different video you made, because sometimes I make videos too. You could just upload it. If it's not YouTube, you would click this. But anyway, this is a YouTube video, so you would click upload YouTube link, and then you just copy and paste Command V, and you would click upload. You can actually rename it. So for me, I'm gonna just I'm gonna name it Spanish numbers. Okay. Right here's the picture. It usually just puts a random picture. If for whatever reason you don't like it, you could actually change it. I only change it if it's like somebody talking mid-sentence, so the picture's an awkward face. But this is a good picture, so I would leave it. This is probably the most important part. If you see this part that says media permission, you want to change that to public. I don't know why. I don't know who can see it if it's on private. I think just you. So I just always change it to public. I also just skip all of these. This probably means something like my Google Classroom classes, but whatever. Then I click update. And now you have your video. So you're not done yet. You would click this share link right here. And so I honestly, this is probably bad, but I don't know the difference between share inside my VR spot and share outside of my VR spot. I always just do share outside my VR spot because I feel like this means more people can see it. So then I would just copy this. Let's say we get to the PowerPoint that we want to be on. Ooh, sorry, I've got a lot happening here. Okay, cool. Yeah, so pretend you didn't see that. I would give a message to the students that's telling them what I want to do, so click the link below. What's the link? Okay, so then you want to Google a picture. So maybe I'll Google something like numbers, clip art, or something like that. And let's say I think, okay, this is cute, we'll use this. You just take it to your presentation. So we are so close to being done, I promise. Ooh. Okay, so now you have your picture. Now all you have to do is link in the link from MyVR spot. So this is where you'll go below the word help, and you'll see this link. And you can just copy and paste your MyVR spot link. And I always double check that after all that work, I copy and pasted my MyVR spot link and not the YouTube link. So because it says live.myvrspot.com, it should be good. So now what you can do, this is from the student's perspective. So a student gets this on their PowerPoint. Oh, my teacher wants me to click the link below. Then they click it. And now the kids can safely see this link. It's not going to give them any inappropriate YouTube ads. It's not going to play to the next video. It will literally just play the video. Yes, so that is how you do that. Let me know if you have any questions.